friends, welcome back to Rachel Reviews. I'm Rachel, and today, as always, we have a Stitch Fix. First Stitch Fix of 2020. Did everybody have a good New Year's? I did. We went to our friend's house, Steve and Ashley's, and they did a murder mystery party, and it was so much fun. We were there till like 2 in the morning. Hilarity ensued. It was a good time. So today we have a Stitch Fix. To get into it, Stitch Fix styling service. If this is anyone's like first time on my channel, Stitch Fix styling service. You pay $20 a box. That $20 gets credited. There's more in the description down below about it. You can request different things. They do clothing, purses, shoes, all that jazz. Yeah, 5 items sent to your door. And this one I requested some high-waisted jeans. I know Stitch Fix jeans are expensive, so I don't know. I just wanted to try again because I haven't, the only jeans I've kept from Stitch Fix were from the 1822 brand, which you can find a lot at Marshalls too. And they were $39 and they're like jeggings, and I really liked those because they were $39 from Stitch Fix. You never get jeans for that much from Stitch Fix. So let's see. So yeah, jeans I asked for, and like V-neck tops because I've been wanting some more of those. This is a Stitch Fix top from, I think, earlier this year, like around March. It's got that nice cowl neck. It's really cute. Let me stand up. It has pockets. So yeah, I really like this one. And it is just raining here today. I think we're supposed to get like 2 to 3 inches of rain, and then tonight it's supposed to freeze, so that's great. Yeah, it's not great. Let me drink my smoothie. I get so parched. Look at that green smoothie. If anyone's interested. Water, kale, banana, mango, pineapple. So good. I've been trying to drink smoothies like every day in the morning because I'm not a breakfast person, unless it's like a full out breakfast, like hash browns, eggs, bacon, bagel, you know. So I've been trying to like jumpstart my metabolism, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, it's so good. The banana makes it like super sweet. Anyway, we got our style note. Happy Fix Day, Rachel, and welcome to your 31st fix. 31st fix. Do you hear the rain? Anyway, I hope you had a happy new year. Did you get to ring in the new year doing something fun? You know I did. I had so much fun visiting friends in Pittsburgh. Now it's back to the hustle and bustle. Today I started off with 2 pairs of high-rise jeans for you to try. So that's cool, 2 pairs. Of course, you know I already peeked, so I'm excited about one of them. Both of these are on the lower price end. It's my phone. And should fit like a dream. The can ones have a bit of a longer inseam. How is the length on you? I have short legs. For something cute and effortless, pair these with the fun leopard print top by Cut from the Kloth. Cut from the Kloth is an expensive brand, so wasn't jazzed about that. I saw a few animal prints on your Pinterest, so I had to snag this for you. Play around with tucking it in. Since you're also on the hunt for V-necks, I threw in the 41 Hawthorn top. I think this will look super classy and flirty on you. Add some bold earrings. XO, Allie. So there we have it. There's our stylist note. Let's get into that bundle. Alright, so the first one, you guys, exclusive. I haven't had like an exclusive in a while. You know I love to whisper the word exclusive. So this is nice and stretchy. The sleeves are anyway. It's like a mixed material. Gray sleeves. I have so much gray and I have so much green in my wardrobe already. And the other top I'm going to show you is green. And I think the other one's like a light gray too, so I mean, I don't know. Anyway, this is that Cut from the Kloth top. Benter mixed material top in light gray. So the bodice is like that leopard print, and then the back is not. So that's kind of interesting. We'll see how that works. The bottom has a band though, and I don't really know how I feel about bands on the bottom of my top. I like them a little more flowy. So, but we'll try it on. We always try everything on. Next is the 41 Hawthorn. I have so much of this color in my wardrobe. It's the 41 Hawthorn Henri Surplice Wrap Ruched Knit Top in dark green. So, it's got quite a dip there. So depending on how it lays, we'll see. But it's flowy on the bottom. It's got the little ruching on the side, long sleeves. It's really soft, so that's cool. This one I think was on my Pinterest. It is the Stitches and Stripes Olie Distressed Back Cotton Blend Sweater in light gray. So the front is just kind of like normal, but look at the back. Check that out. So that's kind of cool, a little more edgy. And it has a nice knit detail. It's heavy. It is a heavy top. Is this an exclusive as well? No. No, it's not. But, so we'll try that on too. I'm not jazzed. I'm not like jazzed about any of the tops really, to be honest. Testing the stretchiness of these. These are by Vigoss, the Ace Skinny Distress Knee High Rise. Okay, sorry. I was putting the wrong emphasis on the wrong syllable. The Ace Skinny Distress Knee High Rise Jean. There we go, in indigo. Indigo, authentic stretch, it says. So let's see. So yeah, there's some distressing on the knee. I like a little bit of distressing. Not like too heavy because I feel like my skin pops out like, you know, Pillsbury dough. So, so those are cute. Hopefully they really do stretch. Do the neck test. I don't know. Do any of you do that? I've heard that you can do like, you take the waist of your jeans and you wrap it around your neck, and if they touch in the back, then they'll fit. So, I don't know about that. But that's what I've heard. And these ones I was excited about because they have a button fly. Let's see. These feel a little bit stretchier than the other ones. And this is the Can Alina button front cuffed skinny jean in indigo. So there's a little bit of like distressing, like on the pocket there. Like nothing all the way through, it looks like. Just like little like scrapes and whatnot. So yeah, those are the 5 things. I like the button fly. We'll see how they work. Let's try them on. Okay, so I wanted to try the jeans on with a top that I already like. This is my one from Stitch Fix. I don't remember what brand it is. Maybe I'll find out in the recap. But these are the Can jeans, the button fly. Don't know how I feel about them. I think they fit okay. This is like with the shirt tucked in. It's weird because the shirt has pockets, so it's a little more bulkier. But there's the tush. The length is good. It's a little bit long. I think she said this is the one with the, you know, more inseam, the longer inseam. I think they feel okay. I know these are probably going to be expensive because they're Stitch Fix jeans, so I don't know if I'm in love with them. I don't know. What do you guys think? Sorry, this is a weird angle. Let me see if I can bring it down a little bit. There we go. Now, when I say what do you guys think, I mean be nice, but tell me what you think. Like, you don't have to go into too much detail. Yes or no? Because sometimes, you know, people get a little too much detail. And, you know, we all need to be nice to each other in this world. So, that's the first pair. Okay, I think I'm going to try a top on with it. So here is whatever top this is. I don't remember. Stitches in Style or something. It's cropped, which I didn't realize. Here's the back real quick. I did not put a shirt on under this, so you're going to see my bra. Back. There we go. So it's definitely cool. It's unique. You know, because I haven't been getting super unique things, I feel like, lately from Stitch Fix. So it is unique. I don't like the fit. No, I don't like it. And I think this was one that was on my Pinterest. But, you know, you never know until you try it on. So, I don't like it. It's a no. It's a no from me. Alright, so here's the 41 Hawthorn top. It has the split there, and that split does go all the way down to in here. So you could like really open it up, but I'm not going to. But I like it. I mean, it's soft, it's pretty, it's got the rouge there, the rouge side, you know, has a good flow to it, but I just have so much in this color already. Like, it's pretty color. I know it's coming off kind of more teal on camera, but it's like a darker green. Let me see if in the light, there you go, maybe, I don't know. The jeans, the Vigoss jeans, they must run small because they were both pairs of jeans were 33. The other ones went on just fine, over my thighs, over my waist, just fine. Vigoss 33, could not button it. So these are some Sam Edelman jeans I just got on Poshmark. Bring the camera down. I just got them on Poshmark. They're the stiletto skinny. And I think Stitch Fix does this brand too. So what I've been doing sometimes is if I like something but I don't want to pay that much, I'll look on Poshmark and I'll see. So I put those on. I just got these this week. They have a scissor hem. But yeah, this shirt, it's fine. It is classy. I like the V-neck of it. Like you can make it go lower, whatever, it's date night, you know, just like open that sucker up. But I don't know. I don't love it. I don't love it. I don't know. So surprisingly, this is my favorite out of the box. I thought I would not like this one at all because it has the band there, but I think it's loose enough that it looks fine. This is the one she said to try tucking it in. So I don't know. So this to me is like a casual shirt. I wouldn't wear this to work. And you know, I work 5 days a week at an optical place. I wouldn't wear this to work. I feel like this is kind of more casual for me. I don't know. Other people might. That's totally fine, but I'm more, I don't know. I just wouldn't. But it is really, really comfy. The sleeves are really soft. This is that can top. It's a mixed material, so this is like a little bit more stiff. There's no stretch to this material here. And then in the back, it's the plain. So it's comfy. I would wear this more casually, like I said, like on the weekend or just at home or whatever. But being the Can brand, I know it's probably expensive, so I wouldn't wear an expensive top at home just to, you know, lounge or whatever. So, you guys, it's kind of looking like a 0 for 5 for me because I don't love anything in particular. But yeah, let's go over prices. Alright, so going over prices. First Stitch Fix of the year is kind of a bust. I don't know what I'm going to do. I do know what I'm going to do. I'm going to send it all back. I already put it in the bag, you know. I wasn't in love with anything. The button fly jeans, they were okay, but I wasn't in love with them. The 41 Hawthorn Henri Surplice Wrap Rouged top in dark green, 48. You know, 48. Vigoss Ace Skinny Distress Knee High. Distressed Knee. I always want to just keep going knee high. Distressed Knee High Rise Jeans. $68. Harper Lane Olie Distressed Back Cotton. Blah blah blah. Distressed. Light gray. $68. No. My fixes have been expensive lately. Don't like that. Can Alina Button Front Cuffed Skinny in indigo. So the button front one's $58. That's not that bad for Stitch Fix jeans. It is pouring outside. Cut from the Kloth Benter mixed material top in light gray, also $58. So that was the one I liked the most, but I wouldn't get a lot of wear out of it at all. My stylist pick subtotal $300. file discount of 25% off. You get 75 off, making my box $225 if I kept everything. So I like my boxes, if I kept everything, to be ideally less than like $180. So that's just not going to fly. And I know it's because she sent me, you know, 2 pairs of jeans, which I asked for jeans. But the tops, you know, they were super expensive this fix, and I don't like that. You know, I do have credit. I have $84.72 in credit from like a gift card and stuff. So if I did like everything and keep everything after the credit, it'd be $140.28. You know, which if I liked everything, that's fine. But no, I'm sending it all back and hopefully scheduling one as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Like this video if you could. It helps like the algorithm or something. I don't know. I don't do that math stuff. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. I do Stitch Fix videos every like 2 weeks usually. I have been venturing more into like vlogging. I have a couple vlogs or like shop my Poshmark videos. If you guys don't know about Poshmark, you can sell your clothes on there. It's really cool. I actually have a pile of clothes on my bed over there that I need to take pictures of. Maybe I'll do that next. And then I will put those up on my Poshmark. So check it out if you're on Poshmark. Eyebrow06 is my name on there. But yeah, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.